Hi everyone, we're here at UCM Country Club and this is a 2.5 hectares exclusive area and was established here in Tanay Rizal to accommodate our overlanders, car campers, or yung mga gusto lang mag-camping, families, loved ones, barkadas, who wants to take a break from the busy metro. And of course, to those people who are also looking for nature adventure and of course to experience exclusive facilities ng UCM Country Club natin. Here at UCM Country Club, we have here ATV adventures and UTV tours. You can experience a full gear setup from head to toe. We have helmets, we have suits and boots. It's a definite great experience for a ride and of course an Instagrammable activity. And we also have here Nipa huts, available yan, pavilion which can cater 100 to 120 packs. And of course, 24/7 security at syempre ang mas hinahanap ng lahat, ang clean, separate female and male bathroom. For example, meron kang ride, we have parking here where you can park your rigs. Dahil may ride ka outside of the UCM Country Club, you can do that here as long as na member ka. So you just want to park your units, have a quick shower, quick checking. Marami kang ma-avail dito sa UCM Country Club. Dahil yung in-house mechanics din natin dito are well-trained and professional. At talaga namang bihasa na pagdating sa mga ATVs, UTVs. Since this is an exclusive area, we have VIP membership here. We have 3 tires such as silver, gold, and platinum, valid for 1 whole year. By the way, our VIP memberships were designed to experience exclusivity, many perks, and of course, accessibility sa UCM Country Club natin. For example, our silver package, it is worth 15,000 pesos only. With the 1 whole year experience, you can already enjoy the perks, discounts, and of course, free amenities or access sa amenities. For the 1 whole year, you can already enjoy it. By the way, UCM Country Club also accept bookings. Then at the same time, yung product launch, for example, you are a car company, meron kang unit na gustong i-highlight yung boldness, yung power, yung galing niya sa mga terrains. This is a perfect place for that. Alright everyone, we would like you to invite here in Tanay Rizal, UCM Country Club to experience ATV adventures, overlandings, car campings, and other recreational activities. Just message our Facebook page, UCM Country Club, and look for Miss Ryla Segovia for more inquiries.